In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file 1095-C form on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in TurboTax, what the software is telling you, and why. In most cases, you don't need to enter this form at all. First, a quick bit of context so the steps make sense. Form 1095-C is an informational form from your employer about the health insurance coverage they offered you. It's different from Form 1095-A, which comes from the health insurance marketplace and must be entered for your return, and different from 1095-B, which is also typically informational. TurboTax helps you confirm whether you need to enter anything from a 1095-C. From your TurboTax return, start by opening the search feature. You'll usually find the search bar at the top of the screen within TurboTax Online. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the right topic without clicking through multiple menus. In the search box, type Form 1095. Keep it simple, no punctuation or extra words needed. After typing, look for the search results or a link that lets you jump to the relevant section. This will narrow the choices down so you can get to the right area quickly. When you see the option for 1095-C in the results, click it. That choice tells TurboTax that you want guidance related specifically to employer health coverage forms. TurboTax will then route you to a page that addresses what to do with 1095-B and 1095-C forms. You'll land on a screen that asks, "Do I need to enter my 1095-B and 1095-C?" Read the explanation shown there. TurboTax will indicate that you don't need to enter information from 1095-B or 1095-C to file your federal tax return. That's because these forms are for your records and to show you were offered coverage. They aren't filed with your return like 1095-A. If the screen says there's no need to enter 1095-C, you're all set. No further action is required for this form. A couple of helpful reminders as you wrap up. Keep your 1095-C with your tax records in case you need it later for reference. If you also received a 1095-A from the marketplace, you must enter that form in TurboTax to reconcile your premium tax credit. And if your situation is unusual or your state asks for something different, follow any on-screen guidance specific to your return. That's it. You used the search, selected 1095-C, reviewed TurboTax's guidance, and confirmed there's no need to enter the form. You can now continue filing with confidence.